Hello friends, welcome to C programming tutorials. In this class we are going to learn about storage classes and type qualifiers. Storage classes specifies the scope of objects. Type qualifiers specifies processing limitations of object. So what is object? In previous class we write many programs. Objects are nothing but variables. If I declare int a, the A is the object here. Storage classes specifies the scope of the object. What is the scope of this object? A. Type qualifiers specifies the processing limitations of object. That means type qualifier specifies the object A limitations. When we are processing the object A, then what are the limitations for this A? Okay. So before going to that, we are going to know object attributes. I hope you all know the object. Now we know the object have some attributes. In that, the first one is scope, second one is extend, third one is linkage. Okay. So coming to scope. So what is the scope? Scope is nothing but visibility. In our previous class we discussed about scope, local and global. So we have two types of scopes. One is block, another one is file. So block is nothing but local. The object is restricted to a block. That means local to a block. Another one is the object is accessed within the file. So one is block, another one is file. In simple terms, we call this block as a local, file as a global. That means if a object is block, that means it can access within the block only. If the object A is file, then it can access from any place of the program. Okay, that is about scope. Scope is nothing but visibility. Next one, extend. Extend is nothing but duration of memory allocation. So duration of memory allocation is nothing but, so for example, I declare int a. That means it's a variable. That means in memory, it allots some memory to this variable a. Now, how much time the processor can allot this memory to the variable a? That we are called as a duration. So the extend also two types. One is automatic, another one is static. Automatic means after completion of the block, the allocated memory will be deallocated. Static means the memory allocated to the object remains until the execution of the program. Automatic means when the block is completed, the memory is allocated. Static means until the execution of the program, the memory is allocated to the object. And linkage. So linkage is nothing but this object is declared as internal. That means it can be accessed within the file only. External means sometimes you are going to divide the problem into modules and each module is linked. In that time you are going to access the variables that are available in another file. So that we are called as a external. So linkage is nothing but you are going to access the variables in internal file, or you can access the variables from another file. So this is about object attributes. Scope, that means visibility. Extend, that means duration of memory allocation. 3, linkage.